me see what we're doing. Where is it? Towards me. Right, there we go. No wonder the modern technology is not staying where you want to put it. All right. And then get that in there and we just pump. Or I'd also like to say a big thank you to Paul, that's Guernsey Auto Elect, for knowing exactly what I needed when I walked in the door. I tell you what, this makes it a lot easier than trying to squeeze a bottle into a diff. This is going to make maintaining melee so much easier. Oh, we got the NATO hitch off. Sorry we didn't record it, but it was very 18 rated, and I don't really want to share that kind of stuff, but it definitely brings out the spirit of what me and Dad are trying to achieve on melee, which is father-son time, because teamwork. Dad, yeah. What you up to? You couldn't fill me up again, please? Ooh. He hasn't spilled it. And stop. Thank you. Oh. Oh, you know how last time I didn't feed him before we came up here? I fed him this morning. More, please. So far we're doing a damn sight better than over in the Rover. We haven't spilt any. But it's worth watching Tatty Reed. She does some good content. She's one of the other reasons I got Millie. Fancy buckets? Okay. I lied. We're not doing so good. Can I have the bung, please? It's on my toolbox. I had just cleaned that, but okay.
How much does it say it takes in?
About 2 and a bit.
2 and a bit litres.
Mhm.
So what's this other oil for?
That is for the transfer box.
Have you drained that then?
Eh?
Have you drained that?
No, doing one at a time.
Alright.
Have I got a rag out there? Dad, it's one by your feet. It's alright, I got one.
Your arm in a patch of oil.
Hey,
I said you got your arm and shoulder in a patch of oil.
I know. You've got to figure out where the transfer box fill up point is. And drain point. Right, I found the... Oh. Could you roll me the brake cleaner, please? Thank you. Right. I don't know where you empty the transfer box from, Dad. Do you? I can't see a drain hole in the bottom unless we have to take off the plate.
Have a look in your book.
Can you? I'm kind of under a rover. Right. Right. We're going to call it a day here, folks. Thank you for joining us. If we can do the transfer box and we don't need some gaskets, we'll do that now and I'll re-record it. But thank you and have a good weekend.